Ready? Dive in. Take my hand, I wanna be the one. Now I know that they get you
Yo, what's up you guys? And so it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be having a reaction video for the ITZY Moto music video. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. Without further ado, let's get started. Wow, ang ganda. You know, there's a fan or na commenting on my video and said, "Oh, I don't understand what you're saying, but I see your expression." Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry kasi nagtatagalog ako sa mga music video ko, guys. Ha? Wow. Wow! Parang gusto ko siyang i-thumbnail. Di ba? Yeah. Ba't ba ganito? Nakikita yung aking paghirap. Why? You know, hindi ko dapat to angle eh. Dapat andito ang angle ko kasi yung charger kasi. Kasi naman. Wow! Siya yung thumbnail natin. Ang ganda! Wow! Oh, I love the beat here.
Ready? Dive in.
Parang narinig ko na daw. Pala. Oh, so pretty. I love the hair. Oh. Nag-notif 0 base 1 sa taas. Ang ganda! Oh my god! Ang ganda! Ang ganda din ng quality. Hindi. Yung pores ko. Tapos ito na. Nawawala na siya. Oh my god, that's it. Ang ganda. I love the beat, guys. For real. Ang ganda, guys. Stream nyo to and comment down below who's your bias and ITZY, guys. And I appreciate ko, guys, yung mga comment nyo. Wow! Ganda ng transition na. Ang cute ito. Wow! Oh, castle. Wow. Flexible to be updated my every upload and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong vlog or you have a suggestion na gagawin kong reaction video. So that's another video. See you on my next video. Bye bye guys. Bye.